Congratulations, welcome to lesson 4. You've made it through the entire week and I'm so proud of you. Take a breath, pause, and now we're going to reflect on everything you learned this week. Healing doesn't happen all at once, and remember, every step of the way matters. This lesson is all about reflection, looking back through the past week, thinking of your struggles, thinking of things that were hard to overcome, thinking of all the things you learned about yourself and about this journey. What felt different this week? What changed? What moved inside of you? What worked? What didn't work? I want you to reflect about these things now. As a bonus this week, I included a very special remedy card that I made. It's called the Soothing Sip. It's good for a lot of different ailments, from the common cold, upset stomach, pain, and inflammation. It's really wonderful, so make sure you download that link today. Inside the Soothing Sip, you're gonna find lots of natural ingredients. They all serve a different purpose in the healing process. For example, ginger is good for digestion. It's also good for circulation and nausea. Fresh turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory. It's good for joint health and immunity. Lime juice is filled with vitamin C and good for liver detox. Raw honey is a natural antimicrobial, which means it fights bacteria. It's good to soothe the throat and the gut. Sea salt helps replenish the natural electrolytes and elements in your body. Blueberry juice is a beautiful antioxidant that helps to fight any illness and it boosts your immune system. And just a splash of vinegar, could be distilled vinegar or apple cider, helps with digestion and it helps with the balance of acidity in the gut. Just a disclosure, fresh roots like ginger and turmeric are very potent. If you have any heart conditions, like AFib, arrhythmias, palpitations, anything like that, chronic anxiety, where you're stimulated really easily and affected, you're sensitive to things, go easy on the ginger and the turmeric. Start with a small amount first. It can cause stimulation in your system. It can cause a increase in your heart rate, and of course that can make things worse if you already have those conditions. And always check with your healthcare provider first before starting anything. And remember, always listen to your body. All of this stuff is to help the body, not overwhelm it. So let's keep going together. Let's keep healing one step at a time. Don't forget to download your Soothing Sip remedy card and your reflections prompt so you can look back on this week and really feel and reflect on what you've learned. For now, I look forward to seeing you in week 2. Take care, and I wish you all the healing.